Understand the underlying chemical concept, entropy. Entropy is a thermodynamic measure of the positional disorder of a system and the number of microstates, spatial arrangements, available to its constituent particles. Establish the sign convention for delta S degrees. A positive change in entropy, delta S degrees greater than 0, indicates that a process results in an increase in disorder, such as when particles gain more freedom of motion during transitions from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or solid to gas. A negative change in entropy, delta S degrees less than 0, indicates that a process leads to an increase in order and restriction, such as when particles lose freedom of motion during transitions from gas to liquid, liquid to solid, or gas to solid. Analyze the phase transition in option D. Cl2 gives Cl2. This equation represents the physical process of condensation, transitioning chlorine from a gas to a liquid. Determine the entropy change for option D. In the gaseous phase, chlorine molecules move rapidly and independently throughout a large space. When they condense into a liquid, the gas molecules become restricted to a much smaller volume. This restriction in volume and spatial movement reduces the number of available positional microstates, making the system more ordered. Therefore, delta S degrees is negative, identifying option D as the correct choice. The correct answer is option D. Cl2 gives Cl2.